here with Ask Neighbor Tim. How many of you have an old desk laying around like this? Probably has gotten several coats of latex paint on it over the years, probably in really rough shape. Well, we're going to take this old desk and we're going to transform it. We're going to upcycle it into two side tables or side desks for a bed. They're really going to turn out nice. Why don't you come along with us here on Ask Neighbor Tim. Here's the finished product. I'll tell you what, they really turned out nice. Now I've got two bedside tables instead of that old desk that we started with. Now remember, we took out this centerpiece and we made them two bedside tables. Now we had to round out the edges of the top to make a nice top that was uniform. We decided to paint everything. We looked at the color of the bed and everything and trying to, tie it into the decor of the house or the room. And we decided to go with a paint. Now I did replace all of the handles here, went with a little bit more of a modern yet rustic feel to it. We did also on the bottom here, cut these square. I thought that gave it also a little bit better look than that old curlicue type design that we had. But I'm really happy with the way these turned out. We're really gonna enjoy these for years to come. Don't be scared to try something at home. If you have any questions, of course, ask on the comments section, but you know, take some old furniture and see what you can do as far as upcycling it. Anyway, this is Tim with Ask Neighbor Tim. Have a great day.